Have you ever read a story about a real person's life? If so, you've read a biography, a true story about someone who made a difference, faced big challenges, or helped shape the world we live in. In this video, we're going to learn about what a biography is, why people write them, and how you can write one too. A biography is a nonfiction writing that tells the story of a real person's life. It includes important facts like when and where they were born, what they're known for, and how their actions affected others. Biographies help us learn about people from history, science, sports, the arts, and many other parts of the world around us. Biographies help us understand how one person's choices and experiences can shape the world. They can teach us about courage, creativity, and leadership. They also help us connect the past to the present. When we read a biography, we're learning life lessons through real stories. In this unit, you'll learn step by step how to write your own biography. You'll choose a person to research, find important facts, and organize your ideas into clear paragraphs. You'll also write an introduction to hook your reader and a conclusion to explain why your person is important. Each part will help you build a full, meaningful story of someone's life. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to write a complete biography that shares someone's story in your own words. It will be informative, organized, and even inspiring. Now it's time to explore someone's life and share their story. Let's get started on writing your own biography.